Doing the floors, we're gonna stain all of this woodwork in here. Is going to be a cherry color, and then we are going to paint the walls a beautiful blue-gray. Keeping the appliances, I'm in the process of cleaning the fridge, so we're doing that. And as you can see, we have power, so finally the well, septic, and electricity has been put in. Is done. The only downside is I didn't bring along enough hose to hook up the well so we can see how the water runs, how the septic works. So hopefully we'll be able to do that soon. After we finish doing the cosmetic work, we are going to pick up some furniture and bring that up here as well. So we have a couch for my daughter, a chair for my son, my other son, and that's going to be here as well. But we have a lot of work to do. As you can see in the back bedroom, we're going to paint all those walls blue-gray. And here, I can't wait to get rid of this hideous looking tile. I can't take it any longer. So anyway, keep watching. More video footage coming up. Okay guys, this is the stain process. So we have this whole wall done in cherry and around the windows. And then as you can see over here, this is what it looked like before, and now we're starting to stain there. And then it's going to be so seamless when we get the tiling. That's my niece Eden. And so we're doing the staining process. You can see the variation colors right here. The stain is doing wonders. So we're going to stain all of this wood here. And then we're going to stain this. Cabinets in here. We're going to try to get up here as much as we can. We're just going to bring this stain on back as much as we can. So keep watching. More video footage coming up. Alright everybody, this is where we're at so far. So that's the stain. And then this is the blue-gray paint. So it's gray, but in a certain tint of light, it looks blue. And it looks so nice with the darker stain. It's always good to go lighter on your walls when you have the darker stain. We did a little something different because we have an island here. So we went ahead and added the blue-gray to the island. And then my sister, as you can see, and her cute daughter Eden is painting. So we're getting the wall here. And I'm going to finish up this area. We'll finish up the kitchen and move back into the other area. Keep watching. Okay, you guys, we're at the cabin, so I'll give you some view of what we're looking at. So here we go. RV is there. And that thing in front of it is where my well is. I'm just going to walk back and kind of show you the setup here. We're going to try to think of a way where this can be a little bit more accessible. I'm gonna have to buy a few hoses. We weren't able to, hose wouldn't reach the one that I had to be able to see how the water is working in the house. So I'll have to, when we come back, I'll have to get that. But anyway, here's the well. And there's 2 spouts here. One for when I come with my RV, one to hook up the house. So everything's in here, as you can see. That's my well system. come back. And in previous videos, you probably just seen that part sticking up. Well, they got the whole thing in, and it's in this enclosed thing. For this hose, when we're doing the hose, this won't shut. So I'm thinking we may need to drill a few holes through here to get the water hose in, so we can just keep this closed all the way. It's kind of a strange little thing. Anyway, back here is, so the house is there. My son started putting the skirting on, but I ran out, so I got to order more. But at least we got the front done, so it looks good from the street. My electrician still has to bury these wires. He started trenching everything, as you can see. And then this is what we use. So we got the RV plugged in, we got the house plugged in, and we have some extra plugs as well. And then around this way, oh no, oh no, I just went in some mud. Oh well, this is kind of what my son's doing. Then we ran out from here. That's the septic system. So, believe you can get everything. The house is going to be painted because I do love the skirting, but I don't like the orangey color of the house, and I think that's just the weather over the years. This is real wood on this house, so I'm gonna end up redoing that. So I'm just gonna be thinking of some colors. So in the spring, when my son's working on the wraparound porch, I will then be painting it. Here, this area. We had everything set up out here, but it rained on us. That's the septic system. We had everything set up over here because we barbecued yesterday and it rained on us, so I just picked everything up and got it here. And then this is for the outside. So this is some stuff that we're going to use for the room and everything. We're going to use that. So I'm going to come back with some tarp and stuff and cover that up. And this is what we pulled out of the living room. So we just got to make that a little bit neater. And then my sister's in there working. Hi. Hello. And so we have a lot of stuff we've done so far. They pulled up the carpet in it, as you've seen it on the ground outside. So we're just trying to smooth everything out. We got the staining done and the painting. The painting, it looks white probably from this video camera, but although I think I'm a little stuck. Hold on.
Mom, you should grab it from the right side. There's a handle right there.
Oh, shut up. I'm right-handed. Okay, I got the video and I'm trying to...
Just step up, man.
My son's not realizing that I'm an old woman. Anyway. So this is the kitchen. We did staining and stuff in here. We need some music. Let's turn some music on.
Move that right there real quick.
What?
After I get this.
Yeah. My son's... all the stuff he's gotten up. This was something else right here.
Alright, so I'm going to have to cut it again. Otherwise, I might be able to, I might be able to get this thing to cut it.
Be careful. Okay, so then we're going to go back here. I'll show you. We decided we're going to just tile this entire area and then the bathroom. But we're going to leave the bedrooms with carpet. So we're going to leave the carpet in the kids' room. We did just paint the wall. This is their bunk beds. Stuff in there. And then we did paint the bathroom. Still working on that. We couldn't get in some spots way up, so my son will have to hit those spots for us. We didn't bring a ladder. Silly us. So some of those spots still need to be done. But for the most part, we got most of it done. And then the bedroom. Got this part done. So anyway, keep watching. More video footage coming up.
What I'm trying to do is just bend the metal off, because in reality, I wish I had the fucking 10 snips.